students, I wish you a very good morning and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue again our 8th chapter, that is the habitat of living. So in previous video already you have studied that what are the components of habitat. Yes, especially a habitat consists of main two components. How many components? Two components. One is biotic components, another one is non-biotic components. Okay students, so let us discuss about that, what are that components of habitat and by the wave chart, and next we will discuss about that what is that adaptation. Okay, so adaptation means what are the things, what are the components are helping to organisms, living organisms to exist their life, okay, in the habitat. So that is called as a adaptation. So let us discuss thoroughly what is that habitat and especially what are the components of habitat by wave chart. So I have drawn that is here students wave chart for that habitat, components of habitat. You can easily thoroughly you can understand. The habitat generally two types, consist of the two components. Sorry, not two types. It is the components are the two components. One is first one is biotic component. Second one is non-biotic component. What is that biotic component? That means living components. Okay, biotic matlab bio means living, life. So biotic components means that is plants and animal. Okay, these are also one of the components which are helping that in the habitat. Okay, which are including the habitat. That is the plants as well as animals. Same like students, another components that is called as non-biotic components, and especially it consists of 6 components, and that is generally soil, rocks, air, water, light, temperature. These are also called as a what is that non-biotic components of habitat. Okay, did you understand students? A habitat consists of mainly two components. One is biotic components, which are generally plants and animals, and non-biotic components like rocks, soil, air, water, light. Okay, these are the non-biotic components. Okay, so now we will discuss about that especially today in this video. What is the adaptation? Now the process of futures or certain habits which help an organisms to live in a particular habitat or environment is called adaptation. So it is one of the process adaptation. How you have you have idea about the dinosaurs. Okay, dinosaurs. Now we never seen that in the world. It has vanished from the world because it could not adapt in the world. Okay, on the earth. Yes, why? Because according to the temperature, according to the atmosphere, and its body, and about all that features that could not exist, could not adjustment with the surroundings. That's why they was vanished by that any natural calamities or by that any other way. Okay, so that is which one can adjust or which one can suitable for that habitat, that is called as adaptation, and that body components habitats helps to the living organisms. So we see that adaptation involves a combination of future sorry, adaptation involves a combination of features such as shape, size, color, structure and behavior. ठीक है, मतलब जो एडेप्टेशन क्या होता है, जो इन्वॉल्व क्या हो जाता है ना, जो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फ्यूचर्स, जो बॉडी का जो फ्यूचर रहता है, जो किसी कलर रहता, जो सराउंडिंग्स में जो भी चीज रहता वो उसको क्या होता है इन्वॉल्व होता. ठीक है, कौन सा रहता हो, शेप रहता. ओके, ये हेल्प करते हो एडेप्टेशन के लिए. साइज रहता हो, कलर भी रहता हो, स्ट्रक्चर भी रहता, बिहेवियर भी रहता. ठीक है, मतलब सपोज वी विल सी दैट वन फिश. ठीक है, मछली. तो फिश क्या होता है, उसका शेप कैसा होता है, वो वाटर में कैसे एडजस्ट रह सकते, उसका वो हैबिटेट कौन है, वाटर है. तुम रह सकते क्या, नहीं रह सकते. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स कैन नॉट एग्जिस्ट, कैन नॉट अडैप्ट इन एडेप्टेशन इन द वाटर. व्हाई? बिकॉज आवर बॉडी कंस्ट्रक्शन, आवर जो बॉडी शेप, इट इज नॉट सुटेबल इन द water. We cannot adjust or we cannot adaptation in the water. So the fish structure, shape, its a body construction, and that is suitable and it is adapted in the for the water habitat. Okay. So let us see. For example, we can understand a fish. For fish, what is that fish adaptation? We can understand easily. A fish has the following adaptations. We will have to see that. Streamline body. Fish का body कैसा होता है? Streamline body. You have seen that like this is a streamline body. ठीक है? मतलब front side narrow and next after wide. So what is the why should be narrow? They easily can move in the water. There is no friction. That is it won't oppose that water. So very freely the fish can move. So that's it. Streamline body shape which helps to movement in water. Very freely can move. Very fast also can move because the front side of that fish was narrow. That is means it is no obstructed. Okay. Second one, scales which protect the internal organs of fish. The scales are there which one is helping that internal organs. If body you have seen that like small bones like there, that is called as scales like it, and it helps the internal organs like lungs, heart, whatever that internal organs are there, livers like that, whatever that internal organs, that it is helping to protect that. What is that scales? Flat fins and tail which helps to fish to change the direction which is swimming. If you fish want to move one direction to another one direction, how it will change? By the tail, especially by tail and fins. You have seen that fins here. वो fins क्या करते हैं और tail क्या करते हैं? कौन सा डायरेक्शन चेंज करने के लिए वो हेल्प करते हैं. ठीक है? Do you understand? If you want to move this side, by the tail can move this side or that side. ठीक है? Gills which help the fish to use the oxygen dissolved in water to breathe. And another very special organs like gills. Due to that gills, there is a special structure which can collect or can exchange the oxygen. Yes, from the water also. Whatever that oxygen is dissolved in water, that can collect or that can receive by the gills. Okay? So these are the future structures or future parts of that fish. So this is called as adaptation of what fish in the water. ठीक है? मतलब fish कैसे adapted होता है in water पे? क्यों होता है? उसका body structure कैसा है? Streamline है, उसका gills है, tail है. So it is suitable for that to live in the water. Okay, students. Same like different animals or different living things having the different structures or different features of the body to live or to stay or to survive their life in that particular habitat. Okay, students. In the next, we will discuss about the different animals, about that what are the adaptations for that in the special habitat. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.